Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C15 and let me show you how to add or remove the Google account to your device. So the first thing we have to do is to open the settings, then let's scroll down and find users and accounts. And as you can see here, we've got saved Google account, and to remove it, simply click on it, choose the two dots icon to open the settings and click on remove account. If you are ready to remove, simply click on remove account. If you are sure, click OK. Okay, let's verify that we are sure. And as you can see, we've just deleted the Google account. And in order to add new one, simply click on add account. Let's wait a second. Choose obviously Google. Okay, wait. Okay, and from this level you can either create an account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do that. Okay, after that click on next. And now you have to enter your password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and after typing it, simply click on next. Agree with Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Now here we've got some info about backup and storage. Let's click on accept. And as you can see, we've just added our Google account to REALME C15. So that's all. This is how you remove and add Google account to REALME C15. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.